cushions for your pumping parts. Hey guys, it's your girl Becca, and in today's video I have a co-star. They don't talk, guys. It's a product, don't you see? So today's video is gonna be about BAM! My friend BeauGen. They are cushions for your pumping parts. I wanted to talk about this lovely product here because they have a major sale going on starting November 26th. So you know, Black Friday, you know the deals, and I know there's a whole bunch of pumping mamas out there. So I wanted to, give you a discount. Gotta give you the 411 to save some coins in your pocket. Yes. So there's two ways that you can save on this BeauGen cushions for your pumping flanges. You can use my affiliate code, which is Mommy Becca, and get 15% off. You can use that code anytime and you'll always get 15% off. Then starting on November 26th all the way to December 1st, you can use the code Super Sale 30. So again, starting November 26th through December 1st, use the code Super Sale 30 to save 30% on your order. Okay, so now we got that jazz all figured away. So guys, y'all probably wondering, what is BeauGen? Like, why do I care? Why do I want to save money? Blah 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 blah. I'm gonna tell you why. So if you're a pumping mom like myself and you've dealt with painful nipples, like you are ready to give up on pumping because it hurts, and you've tried every method and solution to solve your problems, and you're getting cracked nipples and all these nipple trauma, then guys, try out my friend here. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Ta-da! So when you take them out the box, this is what it looks like. These are your friends, my dear. Now there's two versions. These are the clear one, and this is from generation 1. They just came out with 2.0, so this is the newest version of this. And they make pumping feel like you're in the clouds, literally. Now there's two versions of these, the clear one and the white one, and you're wondering what's the difference. So I'm going to show you, because when I was looking into buying these BeauGens, I'm like, what's the difference between clear and white? Why do I care? So here's the difference. So this is the clear one, this is the white one, and I'm going to show you the difference. So a lot of pumping moms, one of their issues with the BeauGen cushions is they couldn't see their nipple. So here's the clear one. You see how you can kind of see your finger? You can align perfectly into the flange. Now with the white ones, you stick it in here, but you see how you can't see my finger? You could barely see my finger. So for moms who want a clear visual, they prefer the clear cushions. Now, you're wondering, well, how do I put this in here, right? The best way to do that is to use your thumb. So put your cushion in your hand, you stick it in here, you see that? And then you slide your finger out. Then you just go like this. and you kind of just lay it flat. That's how I do it. And then you know, and there you go. That is how you use the BeauGen cushion. You put it in your flange just like this. You put it on your boobies and you pump away, guys. It's that simple, and it literally takes away the pain from pumping. So, and I'll just do a demonstration. I use the white version, and here's the clear one again. Put it in your thumb and you stick it into your flange just like that. Okay, and then you pop it on your boobie and you start pumping, and guys, the pain just goes away just like that. So guys, I kind of just wanted to get a little up close and personal. So the benefits of these BeauGen cushion is it helps decrease the pain and friction between your flange and your nipples. Guys, a pump and suck is sucking your nipple. It hurts. That's gonna cause friction. So that's why these cushions are very beneficial to you when you're trying to reduce the friction between your nipple and the flange. And these cushions are also friendly with the pump and pals. So if you are using the pump and pals, again, here's a pump and pal flange, here's the cushion, and you put it in like so. So if you have elastic nipples and you decided to get the pump and flanges and the BeauGen cushions, this is like a recipe for pumping in heaven, okay? Less pain for you. Another fact that I want to share about these breast pump cushions is that they reduce the size of your flanges by 2 millimeters. So let's say you have a 24 flange and you put these in, you'll now have a 22 size flange. Okay? So just know that these cushions reduce the size of your flanges by 2 millimeters. Okay? And if you have any questions on how to do this, or any questions about the BeauGen, feel free to leave a comment down below, okay? I can answer your questions. Listen, I've been pumping for 8 months now. That's why I decided to become an affiliate. This is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to make this video, but I just wanted to get y'all a discount code because this saved my pumping game, especially in the beginning when I was dealing with so much nipple pain. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and save your coins by using Mommy Becca's code, and then starting November 26th you can get 30% off, okay, using Super Sale 30. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified when I upload a video. Now guys, Blogtober is over and I'm doing weekly videos now. I think in one of my videos I said I was gonna do it Monday, but I lied. I'm sorry, I lied. Every Wednesday, your girl Becca will be posting a video. So far that has been working best for me, but hit that notification bell anyways so you are notified when I upload. And also, my background music is my daughter. You probably heard her this whole time as I made this video, but that's just a life of being a mom. So I hope that did not distract you, and don't forget to like my videos. Ciao for now.